Hey guys, sorry, I was just testing that out. Welcome to Seed Smooth Mountains. Exciting day for us. This is our first harvest of 2020 in our garden. You don't want to miss out. What stuff is growing here. It's already salad, and I gotta tell you, it tastes so good. So check this video out. Okay, so we're harvesting today. So what are we gonna harvest today, baby?
Well, we have a lot going on in this bed. And we intentionally planted everything close together. This is called the cut and come again method. It's where you plant really densely and then you can cut a lot and your plant will come back. So we're not going to harvest whole heads of lettuce or whole entire plants of spinach. This is kale. We're just going to cut what we need for our salad for today, and the plant will regrow in the same area, and the next time we need it we can cut some more. And we have plenty here. We've got lots of different lettuces here. This is spinach, this is some kale. And we just kind of alternate it all the way through. And another thing that it really helps with is it helps with weed control, because this is shading out really any weeds that'll come in, and it helps keep the soil moist. So this is our first year doing it this way. So far I really like it. I think it's better for us anyway for this purpose than just growing big heads of lettuce, because then sometimes you get lots of lettuce in your refrigerator and you can only eat so much lettuce. So that works pretty good.
So how do we harvest?
So, the spinach we're just going to kind of break off down at the bottom.
Nice.
I'm going to break off the biggest ones for now.
I'll get some of these over here.
Want to get some, Bailey?
So we just go down to the bottom,
Get some out of,
snap them off.
all the way down to the bottom. See how we have the long stem? I'm going to pull that whole thing.
Awesome. I gotta tell you, this spinach is so tender and it tastes so good. Look, that was a small one.
That's okay.
Popeye would be really loving this.
See any more over there?
And this is just enough for today's salad, right, baby?
Right. I like it because then you just don't end up with lettuce that maybe accidentally goes bad in your refrigerator.
Or you know what, when you grow your own stuff too, and your lettuce starts to wilt in your fridge, but you're like, man, I grew it, I don't want to throw it out. Then you start eating really wilty, kind of starting to turn brown or even a little bit slimy lettuce. Forget it. Just pick what you need each day. This is a very cool concept. This is something Natalie's been studying. Thankfully, she is the student of all of this. I'm the labor force. She's the student of all the new ideas. And this is a new one for us. And so far, it's great because, these are coming off and they're just so tender. Take a look. Just beautiful. And just so you guys know, we repeat this all the time, but our garden is 100% organic. We have used zero fertilizer, and we will use zero fertilizer. Everything is just fed by composting. So I think that way you can trust exactly everything that's going into your soil, and ultimately into your plants, and ultimately into your body. What else, baby?
She's pulling a little bit of kale. For the lettuce, I like to use some scissors. So we'll cut lettuce.
That kale's incredible. I mean, everything. We just had a huge rain. It rained all day yesterday. So everything is so perky and so tender right now. Oh, it's so good. I mean, honestly, you could come out here and just break off
Oh, you want to cut?
and kind of munch as you work. You're taking care of your garden. You just go ahead and munch on through.
I love the ladybug.
And it's really that good.
think that's enough for salad for today. You want to cut one more?
So there's an air show going on overhead, disturbing our very nice, peaceful garden day.
Yeah.
Good job,
Make
baby.
sure if you
That's
cut it,
plenty for the salad.
that you take it, because it will just lay here and die.
So Natalie, let's
I think
show what it
that's
looks
plenty.
like after it's cut. Bailey, if you guys can help out of the sunlight there.
Over here, watch the scissors.
So you can see here, these are just heads that have been cut
Yeah.
right here
And they will grow.
and right there.
They will come back.
And those will come back, put on new leaves, new lettuce.
We'll just keep working our way this way,
Mhm.
and these will start coming back as we move through the garden.
Perfect.
Okay, that's enough for now. Let's go pick some radishes.
Okay.
All right, so up next are the radishes. And look at those guys down there. How do you know when they're ready, Natalie?
Well, they don't take very long, about 22 to 30 days,
Okay.
and you'll start to see them come up above the soil, get nice and red or whatever color you picked, because radishes come in all kinds of colors.
Right?
But that's a nice big one. You want to pull that one?
Have that one out of there, Bailey. Oh, look at that guy. Beautiful color,
mini
beautiful
one.
radish.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. All right, let's grab some more, guys.
Are we gonna
You can pull
also
this one.
are we also gonna eat the leaves?
Yeah, you can cook the leaves.
Beautiful.
That's a big one right there. How
You got a
big
good
that-
size one?
Yeah. Pull that one up, showing.
Whoa!
Lower and put it down a little bit lower, baby. Right there.
That's the biggest one yet.
Yeah.
That guy's awesome.
This guy's ready.
Now, I'll say some people here in Colorado have trouble getting their radish to actually produce the radish itself. We have not had that problem. I think it's all about the soil. It is just 100% about the soil. We haven't had a germination issue. We certainly haven't
Is this
had
one
a
ready?
production issue.
Let's leave that one. That one's little. Let's come.
This one's way too
Here,
little.
this one's big here.
This one's way too little.
Want to grab it, baby? Let's see. Oh yeah, beautiful.
You can also eat the greens.
Can you eat them raw?
Probably, but they're pretty good sauteed. Some
Nice.
garlic, salt and pepper.
Perfect. Let's check that guy, a little bit small. But you can see them starting to ripen. When you see them surface like that, kind of the way you do a carrot, you start to see them surface. And then you can dig around a little bit and see what kind of, wow, that's the biggest guy yet.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
And plus that guy's more cylinder.
Mm-hmm. What do you got there, baby?
Well, I have some radishes,
Is that today's harvest?
some lettuce,
Spinach?
spinach, some lettuce,
Mm-hmm.
some beautiful lettuce,
Yeah. All right.
and
And some kale in there somewhere.
kale in here somewhere.
Yep, there it is,
Here.
right there.
Here's one kale,
Perfect.
one of them.
And there it is, guys. An awesome, fresh as it could possibly be salad for today. So that's all we got for today, guys. Thanks for checking out Seeds Move Mountains. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to our channel. And anybody you know that does backyard gardening, is interested in learning how to do all of that, making soil, producing your own food, send them a link to our video. Or if they have a goofy little daughter like me, send them a link to our video. We're trying to encourage as many people as we possibly can to start growing your own food, being more self-sustained. That is our ultimate goal, one day at a time. Thanks a lot, guys.